Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a loft between two sketches in Autodesk Inventor. And obviously to begin doing this you want to open up a part in whatever choice of measurement that you'll be using. I will be using the millimeters. I'm going to be using a rectangle as well. I'll just set it at 30 by 30 and I'm going to loft this into a circle. So to begin using the loft tool we can't just click on our single sketch, we have to have another one made ready to go. And the easiest way to go about doing this is to highlight the plane that you've already got the sketch built on. So this is the origin plane if you've not done anything else on your part. And then we're going to use the offset from plane button and we're going to drag this away by a set amount. Then we can start our sketch on this plane right here. And this will be the one that I do my circle on, or whatever shape it is that you decide to go for. Now that we have both of them ready to go, we can use the loft tool at the top. We're going to go to our sections, we're going to click on the circle and then the square, and you'll see that if we press OK, it simply takes the shortest route from the circle to the square. But that isn't it when it comes to lofting. That is the very simplest form of this tool. Another way that I'll quickly show you is actually adding in a rail, so it's not just a completely straight line between the two of them. And if you created both your sketches so that the center points align, then you can do this with a 2D sketch between the two of them. If not, then you'll have to use a 3D sketch, and for the sake of this video I'm just going to avoid that for now because it takes a little bit more time. But I'm just going to create a arc and it will start on one sketch and then finish 100mm away where I put my other one. And yeah, so I'll just put my this arc up like so, and then I'm going to turn my line into a construction line, that way it doesn't affect the loft. So now what I have is a center line for my loft, and I can then click my sections again, and then I can change the rail type to this center line and select said center line. And now when I press OK, you'll see that it's got this curve in it that matches the arc that I did. So yeah, hopefully this is helpful to you. There is another part of the loft tool which involves guardrails. If that is something that you'd like me to touch on, then please leave a comment, let me know. Otherwise, take a look at the top link in the description. That has my course for Autodesk Inventor in it. It has all sorts of different learning resources in one place, and throughout the course you actually learn to create a workshop voice, and then once you've learned everything that there is to be learned about Autodesk Inventor, there's a practice module at the end that teaches you how to go about creating a 4-stroke engine and help solidify those skills that you learned throughout the course. Anyway, thank you for watching. Peace.